Today we're having our annual open house at the Sussex County Master Gardeners Demonstration Garden. And this is a really special open house for us. Last year we did not have an open house for the first time in decades because of COVID. We had been kept out of the garden all of last year, and we did not come back to the garden until May of this year. And what we found was an acre of towering weeds. I mean, weeds that were head high, weed trees, and we just swung into action. That was the beginning of May, and it's now late September, and the garden is beautiful again. It's not what it was. We're still, recovering, but it's certainly a garden that's enjoyable to see and to visit, which when we first came back in, we weren't sure what we were going to be able to do.
Just so proud of our volunteers today, and we've had a wonderful day. 18 months ago, this place looked like, I call it the zombie apocalypse. It was unreal, but just so much hard work. We decided to do an open house, which has been a nice tradition for us to invite the public, and we were just so happy to be able to host this in-person event, and everyone has just been so amazed at the transformation that's taken place here. It's been unbelievable what we've been able to do in a very short period of time. What's so remarkable about today is the fact that, when we couldn't come in, nature took over. It did not stop when we did, and it's amazing how quickly things went awry, but just wonderful how when you put your mind to something that you can come in and make a huge impact. And that's what I'm most proud of, is this teachable moment, because we're not only doing something here for our garden, but we're also learning and sharing that information with the rest of the public. So it's been a great day.